In the context of blockchain technology, networks can categorize into four main types. Number one, centralized network. Number two, decentralized network. Number three, distributed network. Number four, peer-to-peer network. Each type has distinct characteristics and implications for the way blockchain operates. Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. I am Ashwarya Saxena and in this video we are going to delve into each of the types of network. Number 1. Centralized network. In centralized network, a single entity or authority holds full control over the system's operations. This central authority has the power to validate transactions, manage the ledger, and make decisions on behalf of the entire network. Users must trust central entity to maintain the integrity and security of the blockchain. While this approach can provide efficiency and scalability, it also poses significant risk as the central authority becomes a single point of failure, making the system vulnerable to hacking, censorship, and manipulation. Number 2. Decentralized network. In a decentralized network, there is no single point of control or authority. The decision-making power is distributed among multiple nodes or participants, creating a more democratic and resilient system. Nodes work together to validate transactions and maintain the blockchain's integrity through consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake. Decentralization enhances security, reduces the risk of attacks, and promotes trust in the network. Ethereum is an example of a decentralized blockchain network. Number 3. Distributed network. A distributed network is similar to a decentralized one, but with a more extensive distribution of nodes. In this setup, nodes are interconnected and communicate directly with each other to reach consensus and validate transactions. The absence of a single central authority ensures a high level of fault tolerance and robustness. Even if some nodes go offline or are compromised, the network can continue to function. Distributed networks provide improved resilience compared to decentralized systems, making them suitable for critical applications. Number 4. Peer-to-peer, that is P2P network. A peer-to-peer network is a type of distributed network where all participating nodes have equal status and can directly interact with each other without intermediaries. In the context of blockchain, peer-to-peer network allows nodes to broadcast transactions, share the latest blockchain data, and reach consensus without relying on a central entity. This model ensures a highly decentralized and resilient system, making it challenging for malicious attackers to disrupt the network. Blockchain technology, initially popularized by Bitcoin, primarily operates in a decentralized or distributed manner. Decentralization and distribution are crucial aspects of blockchain's underlying philosophy, as they offer security, transparency, or censorship resilience. These properties have made blockchain technology applicable in various fields beyond cryptocurrencies such as supply chain management, voting systems, smart contracts, and many more. The specific type of network chosen for a blockchain project will depend on the use case and desired level of security and decentralization. So I hope you have got the idea of the types of network and how they work. In case you have any query, so please drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video of this blockchain series.